How to get the Logcat and Dmesg LiveBoot animation on any Android device. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Chainfire's LiveBoot boot animation, which shows you the Dmesg and Logcat while your device is booting on any Android device. As you can see, I do have the Pixel 2 XL, which right now is running Android 11. What are the prerequisites for this video? Well, the only prerequisite is that you need to be rooted using Magisk and need to have Magisk Manager installed. Can this be done without root? No, this cannot be done without root. Next thing you need to do is download the LiveBoot APK from the XDA thread, which is linked in the description of this video. Next up, feel free to use any file manager application which lets you install APKs. I am using FX File Manager, and while we are on the home page of FX File Manager, we can go into main storage, and if you downloaded the APK on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. In my case, I have transferred it manually from my computer, so here it is, LiveBoot APK. Select it, and of course you do need to let FX File Manager install APKs on your device, and once the application has installed successfully, we are going to open it. It is going to ask for super user request, and yes, we do need to grant super user request. And if you feel like following Chainfire on Twitter, feel free to do so. So here it is, LiveBoot version 8.4 with support for Android 11, and yes, it does work on devices which are below Android 11 as well. Here are your different options, the different levels which you want to see. If you want the boot animation to be color coded, do you want to enable Dmesg, and in case you want it to be transparent. But the good news here is that Chainfire is a very great developer, so even if you do not want to purchase the pro version, you can freeload it. Just check mark this option, bam, here it is. You can see the option for transparent, Logcat and Dmesg has now been enabled, and whatever settings you set up over here, tap on test run, and it is going to give you a small demo of how it is going to look for 5 seconds. There it is. Once you have set everything up, select reboot device, reboot, and there it is. We do have the Google boot logo, and we should pretty soon have the boot animation. There it is, Dmesg Logcat boot animation. Looks super cool and super nerdy. And other than Android 11, I have also tested this on my Poco F1, which in fact is running Miui 12 based on Android 10, as you can see. So next up, let us try rebooting the Poco F1. So there it is, independent Poco team powered by Android, no longer associated with Xiaomi. And there we have it, Dmesg Logcat boot animation working like a boss on the Poco F1 running Android 10 as well. So there it is peeps, that is how you install this pretty cool live boot animation on any Android device. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.